Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. On the request of few students, I will try to solve few questions once again. These are related to the quadratic equations by factorization method. I have already taught you about the quadratic equations or simple equations through two kinds or through two ways. One is factorization and the other is the quadratic formula. So the factorization is a bit confusing, so we will start by question number 1, and that is x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So what we have to do over here, that we have to multiply two such figures that become 6, and we have to add or subtract something which becomes x. So for example 3 multiplied by 2, so it is equal to 6, and if we minus it like this, 3 minus 2, so it become 1. So here it is 1x. Okay, so we have to bring something like 1x if it is added or subtracted, and something like 6 if it is multiplied. So x square plus, we will put the 3 first because we have to bring plus 1. So for plus 1, the coefficient, the positive coefficient should be with the bigger value. Plus 3x minus 2x and minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to make pairs. So one pair this and one pair this. So from here we have to take common x, so it will become x plus 3. Okay, from here we will take minus 2 as common, minus 2, so it will become x plus 3 is equal to 0. When this minus multiply with this, so it becomes minus like this. So we have to put here the positive sign. Now this x plus 3 and x plus 3 are the same one, so we keep it once. So one factor is x plus 3 and the other is this x and minus 2, so it is equal to 0. Now first consider this one, x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 3. The another is x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So we can write like one is minus 3 and the other is 2. This is the answer. Now if we talk about this one, x square minus 25 is equal to 0. So here we can see that the quadratic formula is something like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard format of quadratic formula, but here this part is missing. Only we have ax square, this one, and we have c, the constant, this one. So we are missing this bx from this question. So what we have to do, make it we have to make some factors which can bring this 25. So what we will do, that something that we multiply with each other, it becomes 25, and when we minus or plus it, it becomes nothing or 0, because here is nothing, this portion is nothing, here is not here. So for example it is like 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25, and 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So this might be a good factor. So what we do here, x square minus 5x plus 5x minus 25 is equal to 0. When we cross it, it becomes 0. So the same, it becomes like the same questions. X square minus 25 is equal to 0. Now we take these two pairs and take the x as common factor. So x minus 5 and then plus 5 as a common factor, so x minus 5 is equal to 0. So one is x minus 5 and the other is x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus 5. Here will be x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 5. So this was question number 2 in the exercise. Now coming towards the question number 9, which is quite different from this one. There are two kinds of factorization questions. In some questions it is very easy to make pairs like this. When you multiply them, it becomes the constant. When you add or minus them, it becomes the central value, the bx value. But sometimes you cannot make pairs factors. You cannot make factors like this. So you have to do something. For example, here we can see this 6. Multiply two figures that become 6 and add or subtract something which become 9. So if we take this 2 multiply by 3, so it is 6, but 2 plus 3 is 5, so it is not equal to 9. So if we take like 6 multiply by 1, it is equal to 6, so it is okay. But here again we are not able to bring this 9 over here, because 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 or 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So still it is not equal to 9. So what can we do then in such a case when we cannot make factors? So the best way is to, here is the 6y square. What you have to do, you have to multiply it with your last constant. So 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 36 y square. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply something that becomes 36 and we have to add or subtract something that becomes 9. So here we can do like 12 multiplied by 3 is equal to 36 and 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Yes, now it is okay, 9. So what we will do here, 6y square minus, because this is minus 9, so we will do like minus 12y plus 3y, so it become minus 9, because the minus sign is with the bigger coefficient, and then it is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we make two factors from here and one from here. So it is equal to, we will take the common of 6y, so it will become y minus 6 2s are 12, so 2, y minus 2. From here we take plus 3 as common, so y minus 3 2s are 6, so 2, it is equal to 0. So we have y minus 2 and 6y plus 3, it is equal to 0. It is very easy to solve right now. So y is minus 2 is equal to 0, or y is equal to 2, whereas in the second case is 6y plus 3 is equal to 0. 6y is equal to minus 3, or y is equal to minus 3 divided by 6, or y is equal to 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6, so it becomes minus 1 by 2. So this is the solution to such kind of quadratic equation through factorization method. Thank you very much.